This team of engineers is working on their very own medieval siege weapon.
This is pretty much my first time doing anything, at least according to this scale. It's 15 feet in the air.
Its name is the Upchucker, and its construction has just begun.
Are you sure you want to stand that up before you put the throwing arm on?
On Saturday, trebuchets like this one will throw pumpkins hundreds of feet while being scored on accuracy, design, and distance. But first, they must be built.
We have a table saw back at the shop, but we're out here not at the shop. So I'm holding this concrete block because I don't weigh enough to hold it with my own body.
These engineers are, as the stereotype goes, scrawny and non-muscular.
It's really heavy.
But if there's one thing these engineers do well, it's problem solving.
I'd say the problem that we're facing right now is the holes inside of the concrete are too small.
50-pound block.
We really have to solve these problems, and we're very limited on options.
They actually need to fit on the bar. So I have this drill bit and I'm scraping out the inside so that it will fit.
What are our options, guys?
He's trying to see if our weights fit, and they do, so that's exciting.
But when one issue is worked out,
We can't get the weight up to where it's supposed to be.
There's always new problems that come up, and you just got to find ways to kind of solve them on the fly.
with some time and some teamwork, there was no challenge too big.
That's part of like the glory of these projects, is like we're college students and we don't have any equipment or money. For example, we are in a horse field because someone offered to let us use their field and it just happens to have horses in it.
But when you work out all the kinks, you can finally launch a pumpkin. Or at least, try.
This is our new test subject. He's new and old.
You just watched that pumpkin shoot about 2 feet backwards, but that's just one more step on its way to 600 feet, which is the distance of about 2 football fields.
Of course, the Upchuck isn't at that goal yet, so for now, the team will keep preparing for the big toss on Saturday.
So it's not ready yet, but it will be. I have high hopes.